Hi everybody, Dave Matthews here for Champion Trading. And what we're excited to show you about today, this is a Trimix by EuroMachines. It's a triple motion jacketed vacuum processor, commonly seen in most of your pharmaceutical, cosmetic, and food applications. It's triple motion agitated, has a scraper, counter rotating, and homogenizing mixer. We've rebuilt the unit, mounted it on this stainless steel movable skid so it can move in and out of the work area. We're going to show you how we've set it up for you today. We built this control panel, added onto it. We're operating on 240 volts in this case. This is the main disconnect you can turn on over here. This turns up, powers up the entire system and everything included. As you can see, we've added a separate AC controller for each one of the specific agitators. In these controllers, you can move up and down in the speed range you want to operate, 60 hertz being the maximum mechanical speed of each one of the drives. So all you have to do is hit the run button. Now for instance, this is running the side bottom sweep, and this runs the counter rotating and the homogenizer by just hitting run. Now if you want to change any of your speeds, you can go up and down like this. Right now it's set to go rather slowly. You'll see it's just climbing at 1 hertz at a time. If you want to move up more quickly, and you have to read the book on each one of these controllers individually, because there's a lot of different ways and different readouts you can print here. Hit the reset button, you'll see each one of the digits turns on. So if we wanted to go, let's say, to 40 hertz, we go up to 40, then hit the run button, and it'll now go up to, hit the reset again, up to 40, reset, run, and now it'll run up to the 40 hertz speed. You can also operate it by the potentiometer, which is on each one of them, and that's a function you have to change within each one of the controllers, which is described in the book. Of course, as soon as power comes on, we have an indicator light for the power and an indicator the agitators are running. And of course, there's a light, which is right over here, which illuminates the inside of the chamber. And if you go around the other side, there's one small sight glass where you can see the agitators moving. We've designed this system so that it cannot operate when it's in the up position. You cannot run the agitator. It's also rated for vacuum. So if you watch on the vacuum gauge right here, running a small gas vacuum pump. I'm going to turn it on for you right now. You'll see the vacuum climbs right up. And it's running just about 22 inches of mercury right now. A larger pump will give you a more full vacuum. We're going to stop that, and what you're hearing is the vacuum going back. So in order to operate the unit, we're going to bleed the vacuum right here. And at any time, you'll see there's an emergency stop on this side. You can hit this and stop the whole system. Pull it back out, and we have to reset it. And turn on each one of the controllers once again. Now also it has a hydraulic lift system, and I'm going to take you around this side to show you. We've installed a new hydraulic system. This is the same manufacturer, the original one. It's a more modernized version. Now this is power up and gravity down. It's controlled by this micro switch you see in here. So when it reaches the bottom, it'll stop. Now there is also a secondary micro switch over here by Telemechanique. And when the agitator is completely up, you can rotate the chamber over. And when the chamber is over and this switch is not completed or in the closed position, it will not operate anything till this is back in the vertical position. Let me come around here and to show you, if we start to raise the agitator up, everything will automatically stop. So that for safety purposes, you cannot run the agitator when it's in the up position so no one gets themselves hurt. People will always find a way to do that. Now you can control the speed of this. Now that's about all the line we have right there, so we're just going to stop right there. I'm going to bring you around the side here one more time. Now, because it goes down by gravity, over here is a small needle valve. Now, by opening this up will allow more flow of hydraulic fluid back into the reservoir, so you can go up or down a little faster if you choose to do that. Right now we've selected a speed that works about good, so when you want to come back down, all you do is hit here and it controls it down. And what it's doing, that valve, by controlling the size of the orifice, controls how fast the hydraulic fluid flows back in. And you'll see there's of course an O-ring seal under here, which seats back on the cover. We've experimented with a number of different sizes, and this one that works the best. And then once you're back in the down position, you can restart all your agitators. We've decided to make them individual. Should there be a reason for process that dictates you only want to run the scraper or just the homogenizer, or just provide a gentle agitation with the counter rotate, you can do that. We offer a lot of equipment like this from our stock. We do offer complete reconditioning on most items. If it's not within our area of expertise, we'll let you know that, because we do have almost 3,000 pieces of equipment in stock right now. You can see lots of stuff like this on our website at www.champtrading.com. So I hope you'll visit us, and we certainly look forward to speaking with you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.